Hello and welcome to the uAttend Scheduling Setup Wizard. In this brief tutorial, we'll show you how to add positions, assign employees, and create shift templates so that you can get started with scheduling in 3 easy steps. After you've logged into your uAttend account at trackmytime.co.uk, notice that scheduling has been added to the navigation bar in the top far right. Click Scheduling to get started. We'll start by adding positions. For the sake of this demo, we'll use positions that might be found in the restaurant business. Let's start with line cook. You can either let scheduling automatically assign a colour to the position, or you can choose a custom colour from the handy palette below. By using colour codes, scheduling allows for quick and easy visual reference for each position as you build and review your schedules. Once you've saved your position, simply move on to the next one. Let's go ahead and add a server. Select a colour and save the position. Once you've named a position and selected a colour, you can repeat this process as many times as needed to suit your business and scheduling needs. With our positions created and conveniently listed on the right, let's proceed to step 2, where we begin assigning employees to each position. Scheduling will have already populated the unassigned employees list on the right with all of the users you've already set up in your uAttend account. Starting with the first position you created, click on an employee's name to add them to that position. Notice the position colour code is now added to the employee's name. If you add an employee to a position by mistake, just click on the name and it will be removed from the list. You can then continue as normal by selecting the desired employees from the unassigned employees list on the right. A handy feature offered by the Setup Wizard is a running tally of the positions in the upper right corner. This shows how many positions you've created and how many you've filled. When you're satisfied you've assigned all the employees necessary to fill a position, select Next Position. You can see what the next position is at any time thanks to the tooltip that indicates the position you're about to fill. Once again, to add any employee to the list, click on the name to assign them to the position identified by the colour code applied in the previous step. Repeat this process as many times as necessary until all positions are filled as needed. Once you've assigned at least one employee to each open position, select Preview to conveniently review your work at a glance. If you've neglected to add an employee to a position or notice any other errors, select the pencil icon to go back and make any edits. After you've made your corrections, skip through the positions and preview your work once more to double check your information. When satisfied you have the correct employees assigned to all of the open positions, we're ready to move on and create shift templates. Starting once again with the first position you created, go ahead and click Create Shift Template. Note that by default, scheduling pulls the shift template name Line Cook and adds the number 1 to indicate this is the first shift template we're creating for the line cook. Select the number of employees you need on a daily basis, and then identify the start and end times of this first shift. Select Save Template and repeat the process as many times as necessary to fill all shifts for all positions. To keep you on track, if you've left information incomplete while creating templates, the Setup Wizard Save Template button remains greyed out until you've completed all the necessary steps. Once you've filled at least one shift template for each position, complete the setup. And you're done! For more information on how to create your first schedule, click the link for more. Thank you for choosing uAttend by Chronologic.